Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove contact photo or poster on iPhone. So guys, if you want to remove someone's photo or poster on your contact list on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, you have to simply open contacts, and after this open that contact in the list, and from here you can see the photo or the poster of that contact. If you want to remove it, you have to simply tap on contact photo and poster, and from here you can see the contact photo and the poster from here. So guys, if you want to remove it, you have to simply scroll it below, and here you have to simply choose monogram instead of photo from here. So guys, simply tap on a monogram and then tap on choose, and then tap on poster, and from here scroll it below, and then again tap on monogram from here, and then tap on done button, and then tap on done again, and save this information on your device. So guys, as you can see this, now the contact photo and the poster has been removed from this contact. So guys, in this way you can also remove the contact photo or the poster on iPhone's contact list of your Apple device. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.